I want to see how we can space data make more accessible for other people. What I mean is that we need to see how the space data can be of added value, maybe to other applications we are never even thought about. So what I see as a challenge for us is that space data can create more insight for renewable energy collection and planning, but we need to increase the usability of the space data. This is something which I'm working on now with a large group of different, let's say, companies. And one of the ideas is, you know, a lot of entrepreneurs, SMEs, and setup can carry out brilliant ideas, and they can create jobs. But how they use data can be maybe even better, or sometimes even be trained into doing that. Because to be honest, it's not only traditional market, but it's also a very technical market. So one of the things we are trying to create is we want to offer services. We have some applications we are doing, of course. I saw the grid, smart grid opportunities, the wind, let's say, assessments, all the environmental Earth observation data we're already collecting. But what is really needed, I think, and that's also to stimulate some youth, also stimulate some more people to use our data, is the training of the use. And I mean, not only interpreting, but maybe also using it in ways that we didn't even think about, you know, being creative, being more active. So if you look at what we try to do is to be more open in the architecture. We want to have it easy to adopt and expand as projects is required. What we see is now is that it's very related to what one or two companies are offering as an application or as a solution. But maybe we need to broaden that more and see it more like Google is doing, a search engine or some kind of other way of using it. And it needs to be available to a lot of hub users or more people. Of course, it needs to be operated by professionals, but still, the application itself can be even bought in your own, let's say, living room or in your own, on your own space. And our idea is, and also what we are planning, is to have a shared lab, or we call it the Space Data Hub, to emphasize it. And we are very closely working, especially on the Space Campus, to realize that. And this is our, because we have our own ground station, we can deliver the data in certain levels. We do it on different approaches, but this is something we like to add. Maybe it's different than you expect, but it's something we like to think about.